The Health Ministry has asked for a summary of drugs that are not available due to a standoff between the Kenya Bureau of Standards and the distributors of pharmaceuticals. Health Cabinet Secretary Sicily Kariuki led a government team in a 2-hour closed-door meeting that failed to come up with any tangible results. The Health and Trade Committee's failure to resolve the issue means that the stockout could persist, putting patients' lives at risk.
In a closed-door meeting attended by the Pharmacy and Poisons Board, the Kenya Pharmaceutical Distributors Association and the Kenya Association of Pharmaceutical Industry and the Ministry of Health, the matter of the pre-export verification of conformity PVOC certificate was laid on the table. The CAB's directive requires products to be inspected in the country of origin before they are imported into Kenya. The pharmaceutical importers and distributors' position is that the double inspection is not tenable, is unnecessary and a logistical nightmare, and increases the cost of drugs. Kenya is already facing a shortage of life-saving medicines including insulin, anti-cancer drugs, diabetes and cardiac treatment drugs.
It's wrong for people to lose their lives because of policies. In the next 2 weeks, this country will be in a crisis.
I have, however, receiving the complaints from the industry, had consultations with my colleague, the Minister responsible for trade, Honorable Munya, and we are in agreement that we will be looking at the possibility of having a transition period for the adjustment to happen without causing any difficulties to the sector.
However, today, Citizen TV has learned that the Ministry of Health is seeking further consultations on the matter. It has requested a summary of the products which are not available. The pharmaceutical distributors and importers, however, say that resolving the impasse as a matter of emergency is important. The pre-inspection will be done by KEBS and appointed companies such as Bureau Veritas, SGS and Intertech. The pharmaceutical associations are now calling on the Ministry of Trade through KEBS and the Head of Civil Service to revoke the earlier circular on the requirements of PVOC on pharmaceuticals. This should be circulated worldwide to all ports of exports and should categorically state that the PVOC is no longer a mandatory requirement for pharmaceuticals coming to Kenya. If this is not done, the pharmaceuticals distributors say airlines, shipment companies and vessels will not bring in such goods. Kenyans who depend on these life-saving drugs will be the most affected. Dorcas Wangira, Citizen TV, Nairobi.